Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove floating keyboard on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, some users may find typing with the full keyboard layout more comfortable or efficient. Removing the floating keyboard allows them to switch back to the standard keyboard layout for a better typing experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Okay, and then here you can see that the floating keyboard is active. And then the way to turn it off, you can hold this line and then drag it to the bottom of the screen. Then release it when the blue line is full. Okay, then here the floating keyboard is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove floating keyboard on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.